Hello, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security. Go to biometrics and password, screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them, and let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, then let's select pin. To create pin, enter at least 4 digits and use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern. And to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Confirm and use it to unlock the phone. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics, enter fingerprint, tap more, agree, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock, agree, start, and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.